Fentanyl is very dangerous. It's spreading like wildfire across Georgia. People are dying from it, tragically.
The number of people dying from fentanyl-related overdoses has surged in Georgia since the start of the pandemic. The White House has a new plan to address the overdose epidemic, and it includes increasing access to drug testing strips. Governor Kemp would have to sign a bill currently on his desk to allow that to happen in our state. As Liza Lucas reports, advocates say the move can save lives.
Fentanyl strips and Narcan are the 1-2 punch to save lives in Georgia.
Jeff Breedlove is a recovering addict and works with the Georgia Council on Substance Abuse. While you can get Narcan in many pharmacies in Georgia, that's not the case for drug testing strips like these. And advocates like Breedlove believe that should change.
If you love somebody out there and you think they're in active addiction, you want them to have as many fentanyl strips in their possession as they possibly can.
The push for increased access follows a spike in fentanyl-related overdose deaths in Georgia since the pandemic. The State Department of Public Health warning fentanyl-laced drugs can't be detected by sight or smell, and even a small amount can lead to an overdose. But fentanyl test strips can detect the presence of fentanyl before it's too late.
For me, it really is about how can we prevent deaths.
The test strips can be found online, but State Senator Jen Jordan says in Georgia, they technically can be considered drug paraphernalia, a legal gray area she's working to change.
It became clear to me we had to do something in Georgia, if nothing else, just to try to protect kids who, may be experimenting with drugs and have no clue what they're dealing with.
Jordan hopes revising state law can make fentanyl test strips as easy to have as Narcan. While critics argue the move could enable users, supporters say it's a tool to save lives, buying time to get people into treatment.
We're losing too many people. We're losing too many people in this state to overdoses that are absolutely and directly connected to fentanyl.
It is a massive issue, Liza. So if this bill becomes law, advocates say the test strips could help a lot of people. Who could benefit most from this?
Cheryl, advocates hope that it would make testing strips available not only in pharmacies and health departments, but also for law enforcement when responding to a suspected overdose. And as a reminder, we told you these stats before. They're incredible. Fentanyl-related overdose deaths in Georgia increased more than 106% between May 2020 and April 2021, according to state officials.
Wow, an unbelievable one-year jump, Liza. Thank you.